Hello guys, Julius Santiago here. In this training, I'm gonna be teaching you how to create an opt-in page. Some people call it lead magnet. Why you need lead magnet in your business? The purpose of a lead magnet is to get the prospect's details. Usually it's name and email. Why you need to do that? So that you will have a way to follow up on them, nurture them, and give value to them. So without further ado, let's begin. So I just pick randomly anything to model on the internet, and I've seen this one. So this is what we're gonna model in this tutorial. So, and by the way, I'm using Systeme.io. For those of you who don't have account in Systeme.io, I'm gonna be putting a link in the description below. Check it out. It's free and it's an all-in-one marketing software. It's all you need to conduct your business online. Once you're logged into your account, you can see this dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do to create an opt-in page is go here, panels, just click here, create, and you will have something like this. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna be using this one. And once you're here, maybe this is empty to your end, so just click this one, add step. So in order to create an opt-in page, we need to choose here squeeze page and name your opt-in page. So opt-in sample, save. After you've done that, you can select a template, but I normally just create from scratch. So in order to do that, go here and select this one, and let's edit. To edit, click this icon to enter the editor page. So once you are here, this is an empty canvas. So in order to fill in the elements, go here, we'll add a section, and before doing anything in the section, I just normally make this medium so that the viewer can view this one nicely. It's not too far out. So since we're modeling this, we have two column here, 1 and 2. So we're gonna do that. Go back here and add 2 columns. So like that. It's easy, just drag and drop. So here we have an image here. So I've created a representation. Normally this is a visual presentation of what the prospect will get. So let's upload that to Systeme. Oh, by the way, but before doing that, we'll put an image here so that the software can recognize that this part is an image. After that, we're gonna upload our file. Okay, and after that, here on the right side we have a headline here and pre-headline, a form, and a button, and some text here and text here. So we're gonna create that one. So we have text, a headline, form, button, form, button, and then text. I'm supposed to be using this one. So after that, we're gonna edit this to suit your brand, your fonts, color scheme, and your copy. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this brand color here. So let's edit this one. This is your pre-headline. Your headline here. Form here. We'll be using email. Enter valid email here. This one is email, and then this will be using orange for this one. So let's edit that. Like that. If you can notice here, there's some other colors here. In order to delete that, go here. This solid, make it none. See, it's it removes the other color below. So instant access. So here I'll just remove this subtext here and change this to access, and this one also. This one normally it's just to remove, and this one normally just to remove the worry of the prospect that your site is not secure. So in order to do that, just put, instead of check, we can change this to here, go here, and let's choose lock. Lock and something like this, and this one, your information is 100 secure. Click save after you've done that, and make this bit center. So move all of this to move this below. Click this one, top margin, so that it will move down until it's a bit around center, and click save again. Let's preview this. And there you go, you have a opt-in page to capture the prospect's name and email. By the way, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, so that I'll be share more about how to create an opt-in page. Again, the link for the software is in the description. That's all for today, and see you in the next video.